Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Banks 18 gauge brad nailer from Harbor Freight. The wife got me this for Christmas and I was really happy because I've been needing one of these for years. Because, you know, all my little wood projects like the mini Retrocade and the giant Nintendo controller. So let's get this thing opened up. I also have some furniture around the house that needs some repair, and some of the molding around the cabinets and stuff needs to be put back on. So this will come in handy for that. Has a really nice plastic case. Nice slide locks. None of those ones that just snap down. I hate those because they always break at the top where they hinge. So you just slide them open. And I'm going to assume that the logo is the top of the box. And I would be correct in that. You got your manual in here. Obviously, your nailer. Take my tags off. It says oil daily or warranty is void. This one tells you how to prevent jams. You know, I didn't read any of this. But obviously, you just put you a couple drops of oil in here, just like every other air tool you've ever owned. Alright, to load this, you just pull the trigger in the rear and open the mag, just like that. Take a rack of nails. You have to drop them into the slot and push forward, but you also have to make sure that they're not peeling up back here. So when it goes to load, it doesn't catch on the door of the slide. Push it in, locks down, it's ready to go. You just oil it, hook it up to some air, and just have some fun. Now I'm going to put a couple drops of oil in here. Let me get this thing primed real quick. Just a couple drops will do it. You have to oil it every day, obviously. It said on the tag, oil every day or warranty is void. All I'm using is no standard issue lubricating oil from our U.S. government. My grandpa actually brought this back from Okinawa. It's equivalent to 3-in-1 oil, but you can use Airtel oil, 3-in-1 oil, whatever works for you. Let's turn the air compressor on. Alright, I've already got it charged up, so I've got it set for 60, but it can handle, let me see, usually says on the side, handles up to 120 psi, which I really don't think is necessary. I just have her down there at about 60, 61. Undo our hose, and let's get playing with stuff. Today I actually have some wood slats from my kids' old bed. They got a new bunk bed for Christmas, and I've already taken the liberty of sticking a few together. You can see I had one miss here, and yeah, that holds quite a lot of material. These are really hard wood. Let's stick the rest of them to it. Now, to use this gun, you actually have to press down on something that will fire, because it won't do it otherwise. So, sorry, I hate to break it to you, no target practice. So, if I just stick the remainder of these slats on here, just start tacking them down. That is so fun. Alright. So yeah, this has absolutely no trouble embedding the nail the full length in, and not even at full PSI. I mean, I'm only at 60. So imagine what 120 would do. You'd probably miss the entire first row of wood and just start embedding it in the next, you know, 5. If you have any questions, comments, just feel free to leave me a message down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can, or as accurately as I can answer. And one last look at the unit itself. Really nice handle grip. Already comes with the air fitting. A lot of things don't. I also do want to add that it has a gauge on here that tells you when you're getting low on nails. So, alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time.